Creating restaurant-quality rotisserie can be easy when you properly install and balance your Napoleon Rotisserie kit. Remove and wipe down all the parts from the rotisserie kit. Take inventory of all the parts required. 1 spit rod. 1 set of forks. Heavy-duty kit has 1 set of forks. Commercial kit has 2 sets of forks. 1 counterbalance. 1 stop bushing. 1 spit rod handle. Motor. Remove warming rack. Turn the rear burner onto high temperature, typically between 450 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 1 fork on the spit, just past halfway, and tighten the thumb screw. Push the meat onto the spit and to the fork. Install the other fork onto the spit and push into the meat, then tighten the thumb screw. Pro tip: if you place the spit over the edge of a sink, the heavy part will roll to the bottom. This is a good indication your spit is off balance. Once the heavy side of the meat has been determined, install the counterbalancing point up and tighten the thumb screw. Mount the rotisserie motor onto the motor bracket on the grill and plug in the motor. Thread the spit rod handle onto the spit. Slide the stop bushing onto the spit rod. Then place the spit rod into the motor and onto the grill. Visually look to see at which distance the inner edge of the lid meets the spit rod. Then tighten the stop bushing. Position a drip pan under the meat to catch all the drippings. Happy grilling!